Hello guys, welcome back on MeltFlex. This is a platform for interior designers as well as architects or anybody who just wants to design his own space. Imagine the situation, you have a living room and you're not satisfied with the look of it. So all you have to do, just take a photo, let's upload it right inside the MeltFlex AI. So let's say this is our living room, which right now looks quite nice, but let's imagine you have something which is worse. And let's say we want a room type. So living room is already pre-selected, as you can see. Let's go with the style. Let's pick the modern one. Let's go with the color palette. I would go for something custom, something, yeah, let's go with brown, blue, maybe something more light blue, and maybe something more white right here. Or let's say, let's go to black and let's see what it does. Let's also select the budget. So let's say I have a budget for furniture around 15,000 US dollars. And let's design 3 generations. So we will have 3 different alternatives on how this room could actually look. So right now it's generating. Let's wait a bit. And in 20 seconds, we will see 3 different variations of a living room with this kind of a color palette and the modern style for this place. So let's see the first one, the second one, and third one. I will click it through. So this is the first one that we got, which looks quite nice, as you can see. This is this was the original one. This is the second one. So yes, so as I mentioned, the brown, the blue, as you can see right here, and also the third one, modern, as you can see, all of them. I think this one is the best. In case I like some of the furniture, for example, I like this kind of table, I can actually select this table and buy it in other stores. So let's go to the other stores and let's see what other alternatives. This is quite a specific because it looks something like artistic kind of a table or something, but you can find the sellers of this kind of a table. So if you look closely, it looks something like this. And you can actually see different variations of this table that are available within your country, within a region, and in your own currency. So you can actually find Wayfair, Canada, you see, IKEA. So you will basically design your space and you will actually have a shoppable furniture which other AIs don't have, usually have. Yeah. Let's say I don't like the color of the sofa, change it to green one, yeah? Green one, something light. In case I want something which is like more professional, I can switch to quality of 4K. Let's not do this right now because it takes more time. Let's say 2 batch generations, and I can also design in Pro style. This Pro takes much more time, but it will generate better results. Then there is also light version, which is cheaper for the credit. So let's go with the light version, and we will actually see the green variation of the sofa in this room with this kind of table and everything else. And if you are actually working on your design, it's quite iterative. So you step by step progress, and you will get to something which you are satisfied with. So here is the first version of the green. This is like more emerald one, and this is like where was it? It was in this. It's like more olive one kind of version. So you can play with it. Another cool feature that we actually have, if for example you cannot specify like which kind of let's say lamp of this you want to be removed, you can actually select the one that you want to remove and say remove selected lamp, yeah, and it will only remove the ones that we selected. So this is quite useful because sometimes we have like 200 chairs in the room and you want just to remove some of them, and yeah, it's much more easier to actually say which one you want to remove, and then you will actually get the result of that one removed. So as you can see, this is removed and looks pretty cool. So this is MeltFlex AI, guys. I would be so happy if you try it out. We have 1 free generation available for every user who tries it. So just go to meltflexai.com, upload the photo of your room. It doesn't have to be living room. It can be anything. And you can actually see it right after the design, how it can look. And you can save up to like 2,000 euros per interior designer per room. So it's like much big time saver and also money saver. If you are satisfied with the tool, then you can progress to subscription. We have, for example, $29 per month plan, and you will actually have 100 images that you can actually generate with this plan. Thank you so much for your attention, and good luck with your designs.